Have you ever left the house and wondered if you shut the garage door? Today we're going to be installing a smart home product that will not only let you know if you shut the garage door, but give you the ability to shut the garage door right from your phone. Coming up next. Today we're going to be installing the GoControl Smart Garage Door Controller. This is what it looks like here. And we're going to go ahead and get that installed. Now the first step to install this, open up the box, take out the main portion here. So this is the main body. It's basically just a plastic body here. And what we're going to have to do is plug this in. So I have some plugs back here, and then this is my SmartThings hub, and we're going to go ahead and connect that to the SmartThings hub right inside here before we actually go out to the garage. So we just have to plug it in with the provided power adapter. Take this plastic off. And the plug end is right on the same end of where the wires come out to connect to your garage door, right over here. And when you plug it in, it does do a little bit of a flash. And the reason we're plugging it in here is because this is our SmartThings hub right here. So it's gonna communicate directly from here to here. So let's go ahead and open the SmartThings app. Okay, so we have the SmartThings app opened. What you're going to do is go to the upper right hand corner and hit the plus sign. And now our SmartThings is searching for devices. And on the GoControl, you just hit the one little button here on the bottom. It's going to start flashing red. And you can also see the SmartThings was flashing as well. It's sending out its signal, and now it does show up on the app as the GoControl Smart Garage Door Controller. I'm going to go ahead and rename that device to just a simple garage door. And now we're just going to hit save on that. And it says you've successfully paired one device, and we'll configure them so you can start using them right away. So obviously we're only adding this one device now. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. And now if we go down in our list, we do have a garage door and showing up. And we can go in there. You can either open, close it, refresh the status probably. But we don't have it fully set up, so we'll go ahead and look at that later once we have everything installed. And now we're going to actually head out to the garage, install the tilt sensor on the garage door itself, and then install this on the ceiling of the garage door, and then connect it to the garage door opener, so we have full control over everything. Alright, so this is everything that comes with it. You got the main controller, your instructions. This is the wire that you connect it to your garage door opener with. This is the power cord, coming with some zip ties. This is the tilt sensor for the garage door itself. This is the hardware that you would use to mount it to the ceiling, or if you were going to use this bracket, you can use this to mount it to the garage door hardware. We're not going to use this. And also what we've done here is I used some double-sided heavy-duty exterior adhesive, and that's where we're going to stick the tilt sensor on the door with. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed next. Alright, so now we are going to install the tilt sensor. Now, tilt sensor comes in two separate pieces. This is the base piece that's going to stick onto the door. We're using the double-sided heavy-duty adhesive here. I didn't want to drill into the door. And there's some clear arrows here that this has to be up and this has to be up. So first we're going to put on the plate. All right. And I'm just going to stick it kind of towards the top, in the middle here. Make sure it's on there. And then this part has a little tab on here. You just got to pull that tab to make contact with the battery. There we go. And now we should be able to. There we go. Tilt sensor is installed, ready to go. Now we're going to install the actual garage door controller. Alright, so now we're going to install the main control unit here. And that is going to go right on the ceiling, right up here. So this wire can run down here and get over where the wires go. And then also we can run a wire over here and plug it in. The plastic on here is pretty thick. So I'm going to use a screwdriver to mark where the holes are going to go. And then I'm going to use the drill to drill the holes, put in the anchors, secure it to the ceiling. Wire is going to come down, but on mine I have, it says STB BWC, and you need WC. In my case, just look at yours and make sure that you have the right one. And then we're going to stick it in right with the existing wires. And it doesn't matter exactly which one goes with which, just as long as one is in one and one is in the other. Alright, so we got that installed. Once I get it working, I'll probably get rid of the extra wire here. And now we need to plug it in. Alright, so we are plugged in. So we got our power plugged into a power outlet here, and we have it plugged into the door. Now we just need to test it and see if it works. Okay, so now that we have the everything installed up at the garage door opener, we need to open and close the door once. Alright, so now we're going to show you what exactly happens when you open and close the garage door. So I have the SmartThings app open here. And we're looking at the controller at the top. We've got all the wires cleaned up, looking good. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit the open button on the SmartThings app. So hit the open button, it flashes and beeps. And then the garage door opens. And you can see that it reports the open status again. Now if I try and hit the close button, for some reason I think there's some kind of delay or something. It won't allow me to hit the close button right away. We can go ahead and hit it again. Still not responding, might be 10 seconds or so. And we'll go down and hit that close button. There we go. It starts flashing again. And that's just to warn you that the door is opening or closing so no one gets hurt. And there you go. I hope you found that video helpful. Now you have complete control of your garage door, whether you're home or away. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, like, share, and subscribe. And let me know, what is your favorite smart home product?